Welcome to the LZ Machines YouTube channel. It's finally here. I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. That right there is exactly what I've been searching for the last 2 years, ever since this happened. Let's get this installed and show you how simple and how awesome this fully programmable distributor from an app on your phone is. Are you guys like me and you got a turbo and a blow-through carburetor and you've been trying to find a way to retard the timing 1 degree per pound of boost? This is the answer. Look at all them wires. This is going to be able to do just that with one piece. MSD, Holley, I don't care who, they do not match the value of this if this actually does what it's promised to do. Here's a look at the inside of this thing. Look at that. Look, just wow. Craftsmanship, beauty. Let's get it thrown in. So what I ended up doing here, put this at 10 degrees, okay? Super simple to install. You ever install an HEI? Exactly the same way you hook it up with the 2 plugs there. That's it. It's plugged in. It's done. It's there, okay? Hooked up timing light, hooked up number 1. Try not to melt your connector. Mine's been melted a couple times. Put her at 10 degrees. Timing mark down there. Right there. 10 degrees, okay? That's it. You're there. Now you program it. So I'm going to show you how simple this is by showing you the procedure here. You turn the key on and then you go to the app. So you hit the scan button, you select your distributor, you go into the table, you select the top. If you're running boost, change that to however many boost the map you need, and then the one right below that, you change it to 101, and then you're set. Save it, send it. So with this, you can change the cranking RPM. So if you have a low vacuum cam, you can change that, as seen in this chart here. Then you can go to idle tuning. Obviously everything is very self-explanatory and very easy to do from the app. Here you can see that the cruise, the wide open throttle, so you can get your best AFR at cruise by just changing that little spot. Or if your wide open throttle is a little lazy, you can change that too. High RPM, deceleration, you can change it. And the main reason why I bought this distributor, turbo or supercharger tuning. I love it and it works well. It's that simple, guys. Just fire it up. So my overall experience with this new distributor, jalapeno poppers, is I absolutely dig it. Love it. Hands down. It's gonna be living in the 67 for a while. Please leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe. Doesn't matter to me. I just try to make cool content for you guys, and we'll see you next time.